Airlines love to advertise one free carry-on, but in 2025, that free bag comes with more traps than ever before. From sneaky gate scales to TSA scanners flagging ordinary snacks, seniors are learning that the smallest mistake can turn a stress-free trip into a costly headache. Today, we're breaking down 12 surprising carry-on triggers that airlines rarely warn you about. Plus, the insider strategies that keep your bag safe, your wallet intact, and your trip on track. So stick with me until the end. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us keep exposing what airlines don't want you to know. Number 1. The loose battery nightmare. Most passengers don't realize lithium batteries become ticking time bombs when they're not properly secured. Airport fires caused by loose batteries have forced emergency landings, and TSA now trains agents specifically to catch this before takeoff. Here's what triggers the confiscation. Any battery rolling freely in your bag, power banks, camera spares, vaping devices, can short-circuit against metal objects like keys or zippers. The heat buildup reaches over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds, creating toxic smoke that's nearly impossible to extinguish mid-flight. Even wrapping batteries in clothes doesn't count as proper protection. TSA considers anything without dedicated terminal protection as loose, triggering a complete bag search that removes every improperly stored battery. TSA tip: original packaging or battery cases with covered terminals prevent potential aircraft emergencies. What to say? All my spare batteries are in protective cases, speeds up screening. Think that's concerning? The next flagging trigger hits before you even reach security. Number 2. The empty water bottle trap. You dutifully emptied your water bottle before security, yet agents still pull your bag for inspection. Here's the insider truth. Smugglers use hollow bottles with false compartments, making TSA suspicious of certain empty containers. The real culprit is X-ray opacity. Those premium steel bottles, Hydro Flask-style designs with thick walls, appear as solid black masses on scanners. Agents can't verify they're truly empty without physical inspection, automatically flagging them for manual checks. Double wall construction, wide bases, and unusual shapes all trigger closer examination. During inspection, agents shake, disassemble, and sometimes require complete teardown to check for hidden compartments. Pro tip: clear plastic or collapsible silicone bottles pass through scanners without suspicion. Senior upgrade: lightweight, arthritis-friendly twist caps reduce grip strain during travel. Now, hear how airlines are catching travelers at the gate with this sneaky weight enforcement. Number 3. The secret weight trap. Your bag fits the sizing box perfectly, yet the gate agent demands a $75 checking fee. Welcome to airlines' quiet enforcement of carry-on weight limits, typically 15 to 22 pounds depending on the carrier. Gate agents now carry handheld scales and target bags that appear overstuffed or feel heavy during boarding. This especially hits regional flights with stricter cargo restrictions. The financial trap is brutal. Gate fees often double what advance checking would cost. What's adding the weight? Laptops, books, souvenirs, and even travel-sized toiletries accumulate faster than most realize. Airlines know they've cornered you. Pay up or miss your flight. What to say? I can move my laptop to my personal item sometimes avoids the fee. Pro tip: weigh your packed bag at home using a luggage scale to prevent surprise charges. Alright, this next screening delay affects anyone carrying supplements or cooking supplies. Number 4. The powder screening slowdown. Security lines grind to a halt when agents spot large powder containers. Any substance over 12 ounces, roughly soda can sized, triggers mandatory additional testing, regardless of what it actually contains. TSA can't distinguish harmless protein powder from dangerous materials using standard X-ray, forcing manual chemical testing of every oversized container. This includes supplements, ground coffee, spices, makeup powder, and baby formula. Agents open containers, use chemical test strips, and sometimes request you demonstrate the powder's legitimacy. Bodybuilders miss connections when agents spend 20-plus minutes testing multiple supplement containers. Parents face hours of verification for baby formula. TSA tip: divide powders into containers under 12 ounces to avoid extended screening. Senior upgrade: original packaging with clear labels speeds up the verification process. Think you're clever with multiple small bags? This enforcement crackdown will surprise you. Number 5. The multiple bag ambush. Your purse, laptop bag, and duty-free shopping bag are all tiny, yet the gate agent stops you for carrying multiple personal items. Airlines now use AI-powered cameras that automatically count every item you're carrying. This new technology catches what busy human agents previously missed. Handheld dimension scanners verify bag sizes instantly, flagging violations that cost $25 to $75 per extra item. What counts as separate items? Purses plus laptop bags, shopping bags, camera bags, and even water bottles with shoulder straps. If it has its own carrying method, agents count it separately. Pro tip: use bags that nest inside each other or attach smaller pouches with carabiners. What to say? These items are all connected as one personal item can help during boarding. Keep watching, because your expensive smart luggage might be next on the confiscation list for this safety reason. Number 6. The smart luggage rejection. That $300 smart suitcase with built-in charging ports gets banned at boarding because its battery can't be removed. Airlines only allow smart luggage when lithium batteries can be completely extracted in seconds. The safety concern is fire risk from permanently installed batteries in cargo holds or overhead bins. Built-in charging ports, GPS tracking, electronic locks, and digital weight displays all rely on non-removable batteries that make luggage instantly non-compliant. Gate agents inspect smart luggage during boarding, refusing bags when batteries can't be instantly popped out. Travelers abandon expensive suitcases daily or pay rush shipping fees to send them home rather than miss flights. What to say? Ask about removable battery compartments before purchasing any smart luggage. Pro tip: test battery removal at home before traveling to avoid airport surprises. Number 7. The over-efficient packing problem. Ironically, packing too efficiently triggers more bag searches than sloppy packing. When you maximize every inch of space, X-ray scanners can't distinguish individual items, seeing one solid mass instead of separate objects, exactly what agents look for when screening for concealed threats. Rolling clothes around electronics, stuffing shoes with socks, and layering items between clothes create X-ray shadows that force manual inspection. But here's what catches travelers off guard. Unexpected items also trigger searches due to their density or composition. Real examples from frequent flyers. Bibles with gold leaf pages show up as suspicious metal layers. Ceramic souvenirs containing lead glazing block X-ray completely. Even work tools like umbilical cord clamp cutters carried by traveling nurses require extensive explanation and verification. The screening process involves examining each item individually while other passengers wait and your boarding time approaches. Dense packing makes this process take 15 to 20 minutes instead of a quick 2-minute check. Pro tip: packing cubes separate items for clearer X-ray visibility while maintaining organization. Agents can see individual compartments instead of one solid mass. Senior upgrade: leave slight empty space for easier repacking if searches occur, reducing stress on joints. What to say? I Can Unpack This section for you shows cooperation and speeds up the process. Number 8. The 3-1-1 rule evolution. Even seasoned travelers lose expensive items because TSA's liquid enforcement keeps expanding beyond traditional liquids. Container size matters more than actual liquid volume. That half-empty 6-ounce shampoo bottle gets confiscated, despite containing less than a full 3-ounce container. TSA's liquid definition now includes peanut butter, thick lip balms, gel shoe inserts, cream makeup, and similar semi-solid items. Agents confiscate based on maximum container capacity printed on labels, not current contents. Common violations include multiple liquid bags, non-clear bags, or any oversized containers. When agents spot violations, immediate confiscation occurs without transfer opportunities at checkpoints. TSA tip: always check container label sizes, not just liquid amounts inside. What to say? All containers are 3.4 ounces or smaller, confirms compliance during screening. Your expensive power bank might fail this math test at security. Number 9. The power bank math problem. TSA confiscates power banks over 100 watt-hours, but most devices are labeled in milliamp hours, requiring conversion calculations that trip up tech-savvy travelers. Get the math wrong, and your $150 power bank disappears permanently. The formula involves multiplying milliamp hours by voltage, then dividing by 1,000. Agents use calculators to verify compliance during screening. Unclear labeling, damaged labels, or slight miscalculations result in automatic confiscation. That seemingly safe 30,000 mAh power bank at 3.7 volts actually calculates to 111 watt-hours, over the limit and heading for the trash bin. Pro tip: buy power banks clearly labeled under 100 watt-hours to avoid confiscation risk. Senior upgrade: keep original packaging with readable specifications for easier verification. This food violation can result in federal fines that most travelers never see coming. Number 10. The hidden agriculture violation. Your homemade trail mix and fresh apples trigger a $300 federal fine from USDA agriculture inspectors. A shock that hits international travelers and connecting passengers hardest. Your carry-on faces two separate inspections with completely different rule sets that most never realize exist. Fresh fruits, vegetables, homemade items, and processed foods with restricted ingredients trigger federal agriculture violations. These aren't basic TSA agents, but specialized federal officers with authority to issue fines and create permanent violation records that follow you through customs databases. Real travelers share horror stories. A French sausage confiscation led to a 5-hour luggage search and thousands in delays. International connections complicate matters. Foods legal on domestic flights become strictly prohibited on international routes. What to say? All my food items are commercially packaged and domestic helps clarify compliance quickly. Pro tip: ship questionable food items to your destination rather than risk federal violations. Senior upgrade: stick to familiar labeled snacks to avoid confusion during stressful screening moments. Number 11. The medical traveler's documentation nightmare. Cancer patients get Miralax confiscated en route to treatment. Seniors with bulky 90-day prescription bottles face impossible packing decisions. Even life-saving medications get questioned when documentation doesn't meet TSA's strict requirements. This hits medical travelers hardest, people already stressed about treatment who face additional harassment for necessary medications. Transferring pills to unmarked organizers triggers drug violation investigations that can strand patients without critical treatments. Controlled substances like ADHD medications and pain relievers need additional documentation. The verification process involves pharmacy calls and hours-long reviews that make patients miss medical appointments. Real scenarios: diabetics questioned about insulin, parents detained for children's medication in wrong-named bottles. What to say? These are prescription medications for my medical condition emphasizes medical necessity. Senior upgrade: carry prescription copies, doctor letters, and keep some pills in original bottles for verification. Pro tip: transfer a week's supply to smaller labeled bottles while keeping full documentation. This final electronics mistake creates the most avoidable delays of all. Number 12. The electronics removal reality check. Millions still forget the basic electronics rule, triggering manual searches that could be completely avoided. Any device larger than a smartphone creates X-ray shadows that obscure other bag contents. Tablets, e-readers, gaming consoles, large cameras, and portable players all require removal. TSA makes no exceptions for special laptop bags or electronics organizers. When agents spot forgotten electronics, they unpack entire bags for thorough inspection. Business travelers miss connections regularly because forgotten laptops trigger 20-minute searches during peak travel times. The delay signals either rookie status or potential concealment to agents, increasing additional screening chances. TSA tip: practice electronics removal at home to build efficient checkpoint habits. Pro tip: organize electronics in outer pouches for quick access and replacement. So, which carry-on trap will you avoid first? And what's your best airport packing hack? Tell me in the comments. You may help other travelers. Thanks for watching.